Hello and happy Stranger Things Day. I hope that you clicked on this video because, like me, you are thrilled for Stranger Things Season 5 and you are so excited to watch it today. I'm releasing this video on the 26th, which is the day that Season 5 premieres. However, I'm probably not going to start watching it tonight. I think I'm going to save it for tomorrow. That way I have something awesome to watch with my Thanksgiving meal that I'll be cooking for my husband and I. But because of that, because of being excited for Stranger Things, I did make a little purchase. I do follow Muse 2320 on Instagram. They are a yarn shop out of Hastings, Minnesota. Yes, and they had a Stranger Things collection that they came out with. And so because I am both a fiber artist and someone who's very excited for Stranger Things Season 5, the finale season, I purchased both of their kits and one of them has arrived and I wanted to go ahead and take you through it today. So if you ordered your kit and you have not received it yet and you don't want spoilers, maybe don't watch this video. But if you don't mind spoilers, then I will take you through what we got. So this is the first kit. I think this might be the countdown kit. So this came with some really fun goodies. The first one, which was right on top, is a hat that has an embroidery needle tied to it and it says "Embroider Me" on it. So giving us a fun little embroidery project for this hat. We also have a tea blend that they came up with. This has orange, hibiscus, rose hips, cinnamon clove, cardamom pods, natural spicy cinnamon flavor, and other natural orange flavors. It's called the Demigorgon. Let's give that, ow, see if we can get this open. Give this a little sniff. That smells so good. This is what that looks like. You can take a look at their website if you want to, but look at that. Look at how pretty. Oh, I'm excited to try that. We also got the little postcard. I am not going to show you the back because there's a QR code on it, but we've got their, would you look at this please? Very cool. Let's see. We have a custom dyed pre-caked ball of yarn, which I very much appreciate, called the Eye of Vecna. It is DK weight, it's 100% merino wool. It is 100 grams, so 231 yards. I love the colorway. Looks very cool. I gotta think of what I would work up with this. I'm currently obsessed with triangle scarves, as probably everyone knows. I wonder if how much this would give me. Do we work this up into a triangle scarf? Maybe. But look how pretty. Ooh, I love it. And then we also got some mini hanks, also DK weight yarn, which are all very pretty reds. Which has this really pretty bright red, and then another. Which honestly, these might look really nice with my skeins from Crow and Crescent. So I could probably do a triangle scarf with this plus my Crow and Crescent yarns. That might be an idea. That might be what we work on. They also did send along a embroidery kit, which is so awesome. And then of course they sent some floss along with some candy, which is so cool. Let me take a look at these. Let's see what embroidery things we have. Oh, super cool. So we have the Starcourt Mole, we have the Hellfire Club, Scoops Ahoy, and then of course the classic Stranger Things, which is awesome. These are all embroidery stencils. So of course you could use these for the hat if you wanted, which is always an option. I might even just use them for like a hoodie, you know, just like put it on a hoodie or something. Maybe. Oh, but these are really cool. I've always wanted to get a set of these from Muse 2320, so I'm really excited that I got the Stranger Things one. That's really cool. And I have some classic floss. I have a ton of floss personally as well, so that'll be nice to have these. And then I'll have to look at this message later, but I'm really happy with this. I do have volume 2. They have a second box that should be coming after this one, so I'm really excited to get working on that one as well. But in the meantime, I'm thinking of a project for watching the premiere of season 5 and using these themed yarns from Muse 2320. Super happy with this. Let me know if you are a Stranger Things fan, what you're gonna be working on while you are watching season 5. We'll keep it spoiler free, obviously, but I'm very excited for this season. I really enjoyed watching the series, and it's bittersweet that it's ending, but I'm very excited to watch it. So hopefully you enjoyed it along with me, and I'll see you again very soon in my next video. Bye now.